ask you, I mean, obviously there's a lot of different providers out there. Why did you pick Aryaka? Why did you bring this opportunity to us?
The customer first approach. I think as agents, you have multiple vendors that you can sell, and most vendors out there are just hungry to close the next deal and don't truly listen to what the customer is saying. Aryaka listens and continues to listen to the customer and present the right solution to make the customer more successful. If we can make our customers successful, then we can be the successful approach. And the Aryaka team was very passionate about helping the customer. And I think that shows with all the friendships that have developed because everyone had the same end goal in mind.